Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do Leetcode daily challenge Ransom Note. So basically in this question we are given with two strings Ransom Note and magazine. Return true if Ransom Note can be constructed by using the letters from magazine, else otherwise we are required to return false. Each letter in magazine can be used only once in the Ransom Note. So the thing which is given to us is that, let me explain. For example, so here Ransom Note A and magazine is B, right? So you can see that we can't make A to B, right? But here A B, here B again can't make this, right? So again false would be returned. Now let us check for the last example. Here you can see that A, B is there, right? So here A is already present. So we can form this ransom note, right? So that's why true is being returned. So let us check for the constraints. So as for the constraints, you can check. We are given with ransom node dot length and maximum dot length. At max, the length could be 10 to the power 5, right? So order of n solution would easily work, but order of n square solution won't work if we are traversing the string. And then ransom note and magazine consist of lower English letters. So English letters are there to be compared. Nothing else we are required to compare. Now comes the next part, that how we would be doing this question. So basically in this question we are required to form one string from other string. Basically we just need to check that if we can form or not. So for that purpose we would be required to store this particular string in some unordered map or some vector, means any such type of data structure in which we could easily look up. So and even we are required to store the count of the letters which are being present in this particular magazine. Like if B occurs 3 times, then that count also requires to be stored in that particular unordered map. So that if in this ransom note we are using B 4 times, then in that case also we will be returning false, because at that case we won't be able to form our ransom note from this magazine. So that's why we are required to store the count as well. And the other thing is that what we say that sorting is not required, as we are just directly storing and we just require a lookup data structure. So that's why we would be using here in Java we say as hash map, as it is in C++ the unordered map that we would be using, so that we could easily look up. So basically this question is about hash map. So now the thing that how we can use this hash map. So the thing is that we would be storing all the characters which are being present in our magazine into our hash map, or you could say as unordered map. In that we would be storing, and in this we would be having the count 1, and like this only whatsoever letters are that there, they would be having their own counts. And then what we would be doing, we will be traversing this particular ransom node, and we will be checking that if at a particular moment if our I is basically greater than 0, then we would be directly doing minus minus, so that we would be reducing the size of this size, basically the count of the I item in this map, else we would be returning directly false, because in other case it would be less than 0 or might be equal to 0, right? So if any of these cases there, so in that criteria also we are required to return false, because if the count is basically 0, then how we can form it, right? We can't form it. So that's why. But in map B won't be removed, but its count will become 0. So in that criteria it will return true if we are not taking this particular condition. Actually I was getting the wrong answer on this criteria only. That's why I am explaining that we are required to do in that manner. So now comes the part for the time complexity and space complexity. So the time complexity is basically order of n, plus m could also be taken if we consider that magazine is having a lot of letters which are not at all similar to this. satisfies that criteria, we would be having n this, m this, right? So that's why when we are traversing this particular, then m loop would be for this and n for storing in unordered map. So that's why m plus n, and the space complexity is basically order of n only, and that is for this particular magazine. So this is how time complexity and space complexity is. Let me write that again. I just removed it. Now let me show you the code walkthrough of this particular. So basically the time complexity would be order of n plus m, and the space complexity is basically here n, and here n refers to the letters in the magazine and m refers to the letters in the ransom note. Yes, I'll show you first column then. So here the thing is, this function is being given to us in which we are required to return true or false. So we are taking this unordered map m. I've just taken for indicating that we are storing magazine letters in the same, and then we will be storing each and every letter which is being there in magazine by doing this, and then we will be traversing this particular ransom node. We will check that if m of I is basically greater than 0, then we will be decreasing its count, else we would be returning false. Else if after getting through this loop, if false was not returned, so that's why at the end we will be returning true. So this was all for this particular question. If you have any doubt, you could comment that down. I hope you liked the explanation. If you liked it, then please do share, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.